Hi there, my name is Ashley Moe and welcome to our virtual makeup class. I am here to show you how to highlight and contour and show you how easy, simple, and quick it can be. I'm going to be using my mini double-decker compact here, and this is what you can get color matched to as well if you fill out our color match form, and I will send you a custom match for your own personalized compact that match your face tones. So let's get started. So today I'm just going to be using the 30-second hack brush, and you can see I've already done my eyes and my eyebrows, so I'm just going to show you the basics of mascara beauty and kind of the core of what our makeup is. So we use highlight, which are these top two colors, and contour, and they both make up your foundation. So most people are used to putting on one flat color and then adding a bunch of layers. Well, our contour actually has foundational coverage as well, so you're going to see that I don't need to do different layers. So I'm going to actually use this like domed end of my brush, and I'm going to swipe into my contour. And so as your face warms up to the cream, you're going to see that it just melts right in, and it feels so nice and smooth, and it doesn't even feel like you're wearing makeup. Okay, so I'm going to feel for my cheekbone, and I'm basically going to go right under my cheekbone. And if you're not really sure, you can literally feel your face or make the fishy face like this. And that's where your contour is going to go, right in the hollows of your cheeks. Okay, so I'm just going to I like to do a kind of a combination of like a stipple and a little bit of a swipe. And notice how I'm doing a little bit of a swoosh. That's kind of cupping my cheekbone there, right? And look at how it's already giving me dimension compared to this side, okay? So I'm just going right under my cheekbone here. And again, I kind of like this like stipple motion because it helps blend as you go. So I put it all in, I put it all on, and then I blend at the very end, okay? But if you do it like that, it's kind of blending as you're working. So then you're going to take a little bit more and you're going to go around your forehead. And here's where you can kind of be messy. There's no exact science to this. You just slap it on your forehead. Just make sure that you're connecting from here all the way around over here. And then same thing, you're going to do your contour down here on your jawline, all around the bottom of your chin, and then just hit that jaw. And that is your contouring. How easy is that? Okay, now I'm gonna flip and go to this end of the brush, and I'm gonna go into my main color right here. So my main color is like my main foundation, and then this is my brightening color, and that's what I'm gonna use to brighten my under eyes. But we're gonna start here, and I'm gonna go right below that contour. See that? And you're gonna notice how quickly this color just evens out my skin tone, covers any blemishes and some redness that I have, and just makes my face look really airbrushed, okay? And that's what the cream will do for you, is give you a really airbrushed look, okay? So I kind of start on the bottom half of my face, like your beard area if you were to have a beard, and then I'm going up my nose in between my little brows there. Really get the sides of your nose and like these little corners here where some people kind of just neglect that area for makeup. And then you want to be really gentle under your eyes, because this is the most delicate part of your face. The skin there is very delicate and sensitive. So you don't want to be swiping too hard, because then you could be creating wrinkles for yourself, and you don't want to do that, okay? Look at how amazing that's already covered up and evened out my skin tone. Can you guys believe that? Okay, and that's all just from a few swipes around my face. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna switch back to this domed end, and I'm gonna do a little bit of contour under my lips, and this just gives me a little bit more of a pout. Okay, so I'm gonna use this also to do a little bit of a nose contour. This is totally elective. You don't have to do this. I happen to have a little bit of a crooked nose here on the side, so I like to do this just to help straighten out my nose, but you're basically just drawing two lines down the side of your face, okay? Easy peasy. Now I'm going back to this pointed end, and I'm gonna go into my brightening color. So you see how this one is my main color, but this is a few shades brighter. This is gonna give me a little bit more attention drawn to my under eyes in a good way, a little bit more brightness, okay? And I'm gonna go in a pie shape. Oops, wrong one. So you're just gonna kind of draw this like triangle pizza shape, pie shape under your eyes, okay? Look at that. Can you guys already see the difference? Isn't that amazing? And you just kind of feather it down. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same here. So you go along the side of your nose, under your eyes, and just like that. I'm gonna go in now with my blush color, which can also double as a lip color, okay? So I'm just gonna tap this right on the apples of my cheek and a little bit above, okay? And just right here, you're going right above your contour. I really like this fun spring color. It's called Hollywood. It's this color right here. But you can use your finger. You can use a brush if you want, but I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. I like Hollywood because it has a little bit of shimmer to it. It's a matte color, but it actually has flecks of gold in it. So you can put that on. And if that's too bright for you, you can add a color like Sadie, which is a gloss, and I really love this gloss, and kind of just soften it out a little bit. Okay, easy. So now I'm gonna take my damp perfector, and this one is a dry one, so look at the difference in size, and this is a damp one. So, and then I'm just gonna pat this all over my face. So I'm not gonna swipe, because swiping will take off the makeup. But what you're doing right here is you're just pushing it into your skin, and it's helping to warm up to your face. And look at this, it just blends those colors so perfectly and gives you that really beautiful airbrushed look. Okay, so there you go. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit of my illuminator. So I have a cream one right here, this is rose gold, or I have this color right here, which is Starlit, and this is a powder. I'm gonna go with rose gold today, which is my cream. I'm just gonna put it on with my finger, and you just put it and tap it right here above your blush, like right on the edge of your temple area right here. And can you guys see that? It's just a really subtle, oops, tapped into the wrong one. It's just a really subtle glow, and I like that right there is highlighting and contouring made simple with Mascara Beauty. So let me review this. This is my mini double decker compact. So these are my two highlight colors in my contour. This creates my foundation. These are my lip and cheek colors. So our colors double as lip colors and blushes. This is my illuminator. It gives me that little bit of glow right there. Down here, I have my bronzer, which I didn't demonstrate today. This is our lip conditioner, which is made by our skincare line. I've got my powder illuminator, my eyeliner, and then some eyeshadows down here. So you really can fit your entire face of makeup all in one compact, one brush, and there you go. You're all set. I highly encourage you to check out highlighting and contouring. We call it hacking with Mascara Beauty. We will make it easy, simple, fun, and affordable for you.